Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence here again. I just wanted to come to you today, just give you a little peek, see what we did for this little fence repair. Okay, so this guy has a bunch of rock here, okay, and it steps up a little bit, so it's kind of difficult. Anyway, I didn't want to replace the post. We'd be pulling all of that out there. So what I did is I just said, you know what, why don't we just go ahead and put a couple of steel posts in here. And so what we did, we just strengthened it up, and I had the guys put in like 4 steel posts here in between the rotten posts, and you know, that's stiffened it up pretty good, guys. Okay, so anyway, yeah, I just wanted to give you a heads up. You know, so what we did was we put this in here, and when we did, we put some stakes in the ground and put some straps over across there to hold it straight until the concrete cured. And then that's what I'm doing here today. I just went ahead and took the stakes out, the straps out, and I'm out of here. I'm going to put an invoice in the mail, but I just want to give you a little heads up what's going on here. This is pretty simple, man. Just put the freaking steel posts in there. We don't have to worry about removing and replacing any more wood posts, as long as the customer's all right with the aesthetics of it. You know, I mean, he's all right with it. Just look what we had to go through. I mean, my goodness, look at all that. So good thing we didn't. I mean, you know, we would have had a big old what do you call that, a big old domino effect if we'd have took them wood posts out. So we just dug right next to it, put those posts in, and call it good. The main thing here is the customer's happy. We're on to the next job. John at Fix a Fence LLC. Guys, keep smiling. Have a great day.